Alright, so here's an update video for the E46 330i BMW build. The AC compressor was taken out of the vehicle, as you can see here. No more AC compressor, we don't need that anymore. It's just going to be a parasitic loss with the engine, taking the horsepower from our basically race, so we want to get rid of it. And it also lightens up the front end a bit, which is nice. So today we're going to actually be replacing the power steering reservoir and connectors because they're leaking. So we got all new lines for that and new connectors. So we're going to be going through that today. Are you supposed to take this?
What's up?
Are you supposed to pop those off since it's
Well, I
drained?
popped this and this. You can't really pop this off. It's this assembly that comes off.
Alright. Then you're supposed to pry it off, like pull it back this way.
Yeah, I pried the tab in. The tab.
6.5 hours later.
That little tab that pushes out, can you get it from there?
Yeah, I just really don't want to crack this thing. See?
Well, then crack.
Yeah, I know, but I'm still.
Do you have like a pry bar anywhere that I can pull? I can pry on there and you can pry up there, keep it straight when it comes off so it doesn't bind.
What are you trying to do?
We're trying to get this little guy up here. I want to put a little extra pressure on the bottom here.
Did you clip off both clips?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna try and get from this side. Yeah, man, I don't want.
Something's holding it, dude.
It's gotta be.
I don't want to break this thing. Well, because this part is coming off. See, like, see, this is.
Yeah, that one's off.
This part is good.
Maybe it's just.
I mean, it's come off
Does
like
this
a
come with a
millimeter.
does it come with new one? Can we just break that?
No, it does not come with a new one of these. I mean, listen, it has moved a little
Why
bit.
don't you look at the video again, see how you're doing?
Now this hose is, like I said, pretty new, so I can go ahead and bend it a little bit. It shouldn't kink up. Or
Yeah, there's gotta be something that's holding it. You're missing a clip or something.
If your hose is
It's only two.
plastic tabs,
There it
Oh,
is.
there you go.
Yep. See, it just
now
needs,
this hose
just
is,
needs
like
a
I
little
said,
bit of love,
pretty new,
guys.
so I can go ahead and bend it a
Junk, that's
little.
why. I mean, that's just like sealed.
Yep, it needed some love. It's alright. I gave her some love. She's okay. It's alright.
How's the hose?
It's alright.
That was pretty good.
You want some more cancer? Skin cancer?
No, I'm good, thanks. The good news is that this tank is super out of the mountings. The bad news, however, is this hose is really on there, and you might need replacing at some point because it's kind of gross.
Yeah. Are we gonna replace these hoses or no?
Ideally, no. Here, don't bend that too much if you don't have to.
Yeah, it's flexible. If we can't bend it that far, it's just we're gonna have to replace it.
I'm sure I know.
That one looks newer. That hose is new.
Yeah.
All right, so
what? Dude, that might be your leak right there.
which?
Like, this should be right there.
These are power steering hoses.
Oh, that's not good.
I know. No, it is okay because this one is the one that's going to be replaced. The bottom one
Okay.
won't. So hopefully,
They both look really rough.
I know.
It could be the top one is leaking on top of the bottom one.
That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. So apparently, all you do on this is. Thanks. And slightly crack that tab.
We don't need that tab.
We don't need that tab.
It's the crack off tab for when you're gonna open it up. Right. You have to push forward or something?
Nope. You pull straight up. Oh, oh, oh. I felt the kick.
It wiggles. You sure?
Dude, I watched some videos on this thing.
Do you just pull straight up?
Yeah, there are guys.
This doesn't seem like BMW engineering, you know?
Well, it's
There's like a little tab down there. You have to press that. Little push tab right down there.
It's alright, bud.
It's kind of hot in here. Does anybody else notice?
Yeah.
It's a little.
Next time watch 3.
It's a little hot in here.
Hey there, buddy.
You don't give that tab a slight tug towards you. I'll tell you that's definitely what you don't do. Yep. You don't do that. The good news is we're not replacing this tank, so that's good.
The bad news is you might have like moved the radiator 2 inches up.
I was gonna say, as I apply 800,000 newtons of pressure to this thing.
Thing went like flying into the bucket.
What?
The tab.
Well,
Like,
that's okay. I don't think we need that.
Okay, well, just get lost in the garden.
Oh, there we go.
He was like getting ready to deadlift like the whole front of the car. I was like, hey there, buddy, you struggling?
Going up and down like,
Dude, no, I did watch videos where guys are like, this thing's so sucking. They're like ripping this thing out, and I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna do that.
What they didn't see the tab. I was like, is that tab down there?
So then, 2 weeks later, the lady comes back and like,
It doesn't matter. We're replacing that anyway.
All right, anybody want a smoothie? That other stuff?
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, nice and gross.
Gives you some kind of palsy, right?
Yes. Some kind of palsy.
You ever see the A-Team?
Yeah, of course.
Old 18, yeah. The old one, right?
No, the newer one, 08, when he's like grilling burgers. He's
Some
putting
of
like.
it, I've seen the one with Rampage Jackson.
Yeah.
He was putting gunpowder on.
He was putting gunpowder and
See,
the
I've seen
special
that part,
secret
yeah.
sauce, which was antifreeze coolant stuff.
That's great. Dude, I love that guy. 14. Oof. Dude, I don't like this one bit. Okay, alright.
Where you at now, 10?
10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Try now.
Should we do 20?
Yeah, just
do 20.
crank on that.
Do 20. Okay. So we go to 22.
22 is good. Perfect.
Dope.
Nothing to be spooked about. You're all set.
Dude, I'd rather be super
Oh, I
cautious
know.
on this first one, man. The last thing I want to do is
I know, because some information is just completely
well,
false.
it's also, dude, I've torched you one before on the 928.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't as downfall.
No, I know, but
How over this things, you know?
okay, good.
Okay.
Take these.
Very careful with these nuts, man.
These nuts.
Yeah, be very careful with these nuts.
Survey says.
It's a good mic.
It is. Yeah, this one's all fucked up too.
Yeah, they're all-
But has anti-seize on it, so.
That's good.
Still on 22, right?
Yeah, good.
I'd rather go on the low side than the high side of that. Also, because there's some goop on those threads, I'm assuming. Oh, there's my other fucking Torx bit.
That'd suck if I went into this cylinder.
Oh, God. Yeah. No,
Alright, so spark plugs are in and we're all set for today.